A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to the online IIT class. So this is our chapter 2 search. This is 11th question. Question is find the value of 9th root of 48 under root 27 minus 7 into root of 50 under root 12. Find the value of this problem. So that is equals to here 48 is the product of 16 into 3. 27 is the product of 9 into 3. Here is also 50 is the product of 25 into 2. 12 is the product of 4 into 3. So that is equals to 19 into under square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 16 is 4. So under root here 3. Under root of 9 is 3. So 3 3 is a 9. 9 into under root 3. Under root of 9 into under root of 3 minus 7 into here under root of 25 is 5. So into square root of 2 into here root 4 is 2. 2 2 is a 4. 4 into root 3. So that is equals to 19 into 4 into here 3 3 is a 9. 3 square means square root of 3 square is 3 into here under root 3 is fourth root of 3 minus 7 into 5 into under root of 4 is 2. Under root of n under root of 3 is fourth root of 3. So that is equals to here fourth root of 3 is common. Remaining terms are 19 into 4 into 3. Value is 228 minus 7 into 5 into 2. Value is 70. So that is equals to 228 minus 70 is 158. So fourth root of 3 into 158. Result is 158 into fourth root 3. The correct option for this problem is D. Fourth one 158 into root 3. Next question 12th one. Find the value of under root a plus square root of a square minus b by 2 into under root a minus square root of a square minus b by 2. So here root a by root b is equals to under root a by b. This is of the form. Root a into root b is equals to square root of a into b. So these two terms is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is equals to a square minus b square. So this is root a into root b. Under root a into b means a plus square root of a square minus b into a minus square root of a square minus b. So these are all of the form a plus b into a minus b. So result is a square minus b square by root 2. Root 2 into again root 2, that is equals to root 2 whole square. Result is 2. So here apply the formula. So a square minus here instead of b, what is the value? Square root of a square minus b. So a square minus b square means a square minus square root of a square minus b whole square. Here square root cancel. So by 2, that is equals to square root of a square minus into plus minus a square minus into minus plus b. Square root of a square minus a square plus b. Here minus a square plus a square both are cancelled by 2. So that is equals to square root of b by 2. So option D is correct answer. So here option D is correct answer. This is 11th question. Find the value of 1 plus root 2 by 2 minus root 2. So by LCM 2 minus root 2 plus root 2. Here plus root 2 minus root 2 both are cancelled by denominator is 2 minus root 2. So that is equals to 2 into 2 minus root 2. By rationalizing the denominator, that is equals to into 2 plus root 2 by 2 plus root 2. So here a minus b into a plus b. Result is a square minus b square. Numerator is 2 into 2 plus root 2. Denominator is 2 square minus root 2 square. So here 4 minus 2. Result is 2. Numerator is 2 into 2 plus root 2. Here 2 cancel. Result is 2 plus root 2. This is option A. First one, option A is correct. Next question, 20th one. X is equals to 9 plus 4 root 5. Find the value of root x minus 1 by root x. So here we have to find 1 by x, that is equals to 1 by 9 plus 4 root 5. By rationalizing the denominator, 9 minus 4 root 5, that is equals to 9 minus 4 root 5 by denominator a square minus b square, 9 square minus 4 into root 5 square. So that is equals to 81 minus 80. So that is equals to 9 minus 4 into root 5 by 1. It is nothing but 9 minus 4 into root 5. So we have to find next x plus 1 by x value. That is equals to 9 plus 4 root 5, this one, plus 9 minus 4 root 5, this one. So here 4 root 5 cancel, 9 plus 9 is 18. In the next step we have to find root x minus 1 by root x whole square. Result is a minus b whole square. So that is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square means x, b square means 1 by x, minus 2 into ab means 2 into root x into 1 by root x. Here root x, 1 by root x both are cancelled. So that is equals to, so x plus 1 by x value is 18 minus 2. Result is 16. So square transposes to square root of 16. So that is equals to plus or minus 4. Option C is correct. Result is plus or minus 4. Option C is correct. So square root of x minus 1 by square root of x is equals to square root of 16. Square transposes to square root. So that is equals to plus or minus 4. So option C is correct. This is first question from exercise D. So 14 plus 6 root 5 whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 14 minus 6 root 5 whole to the power of 3 by 2 is equals to 144. Show that this value is equals to 144. So that is equals to, so split into 5 plus 9. Split this 14 into 5 plus 9. So here 2ab means 2 into 3 into root 5 whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus. Here is also 14 means 5 plus 9 minus 2 3s are 6 into root 5 whole to the power of 3 by 2. So this is of the form root 5 plus 3 whole square. So this is of the form root 5 plus 3 whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Here 2 cancel minus root 5 minus 3. This is of the form root 5 minus 3 whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Here is also 2 cancel. So that is equals to root 5 plus 3 whole cube minus root 5 minus 3 whole cube. So it is of the form a cube minus b cube. Result is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So that is equals to, here a minus b means root 5 plus 3 minus root 5 minus 3. Root 5 plus 3. A square means root 5 plus 3 whole square plus ab means root 5 plus 3 into root 5 minus 3 plus b square means root 5 minus 3 whole square. So that is equals to, here plus root 5 minus root 5 both are cancelled. 3 plus 3 is 6 into, here a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab means root 5 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 3 into root 5. So 5 plus 9 plus 6 root 5 plus, here it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Result is a square minus b square. So root 5 square minus 3 square. Here square root cancel minus 3 3s are 9 plus a minus b whole square. It is of the form, result is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So root 5 square means square root cancel 5 plus 3 square means 9 minus 2ab means 2 into root 5 into 3. 2 3s are 6 into root 5. So that is equals to 6 into, here 9 plus 5. Here is also 9 plus 5. 14 plus 14, 28. Here plus 5 minus 9. Result is minus 4. So that is equals to 28 minus 4. Result is 24. 6 into 24. So that is equals to 144. This is the final result. So hence proved. This is fifth question from exercise D. Show that root a plus root b is equal to third root of a plus 3b into root a plus 3a plus b into root b. So third root transposes to cube. Root a plus root b whole cube is equals to, so a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here is also root a cube plus root b cube plus 3 into root a whole square into root b plus 3 into root a into root b whole square. A square root cancel. Here is also square root cancel. So that is equals to root a whole cube means root a square into root a. Here square root cancel. Plus root b whole cube means root b whole square into root b. Here square root cancel. Plus 3 into a into root b plus 3 into root a into b. So that is equals to, here in both terms root a common. Remaining terms are a plus 3b. So in these both terms root b is common. Here root b is common. Remaining terms are b plus root b common. Remaining 3a. So here, so finally root a plus root b is equals to third root of cube transpose. So root a plus root b, result is third root of root a into a plus 3b plus root b into b plus 3a. So LHS is equals to RHS. So this cube transposes to cube root. This is sixth question. If a is equals to 3 to the power of 2 by 3 minus 3 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. Show that 4a is equals to 3 power 1 by 3 plus 1. Here a is equals to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 3 to the power of 2 by 3 minus 3 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1. Just we have to multiply this term with 3 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1, 3 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1. Why? Because it is of the form a cube plus b cube. It is of the form a cube plus b cube. Here a plus b term is missing. We can multiply with 3 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1, numerator and denominator. So that is equals to 3 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 to the power of 1 by 3 means third root of 3 plus 1 by 3 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 to the power of 2 by 3 minus 3 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1. So it is of the form a cube plus b cube means a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So here is also a is equal to third root of 3, b is equals to 1. So a plus b means third root of 3 plus 1 into a square minus ab plus b square means a square means third root of 3 whole square minus ab means third root of 3 into 1 plus b square means 1 square. So it is of the form third root of 3 whole cube plus 1 cube. So a cube plus b cube. So here a is equals to third root of 1 by 3 plus 1 by third root of 1 by 3 whole cube plus 1 cube. Here 3 by 3 both are cancelled. 1 cube means 1. A is equal to third root of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4a is equals to 3 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1. This is the final result. So our result is hence proved. So this is 12th question. So 1009 is equals to square root of a plus square root of a plus square root of a up to so on infinity. So find the value of a. This is our question. So 1009 is equals to square root of a plus this total value is equals to 1009. Substitute this value. So squaring on both sides is equals to 1009 whole square is equals to square root of a plus 1009 whole square. Square root cancel, result is a plus 1009. So transpose this 1009 is equals to 1009 whole square minus 1009 is equals to a. So 1009 is common, remaining 1009 minus 1. Here 1009 is common. So a is equals to 1009 into 1009 minus 1 is 1008. So finally a value is 1009 into 1008. This is 24th question. This is also similar to our 12th one. So find the value of square root of 64 by 49, square root of 64 by 49, square root of 64 by 49 up to so on infinity. So let x is equals to square root of 64 by 49, square root of 64 by 49, square root of 64 by 49 up to so on infinity, squaring on both sides. So x square is equals to square root of 64 by 49, square root of 64 by 49, square root of 64 by 49. Here square root cancel. So x square is equals to 64 by 49 into, here the total value is equals to x. Substitute this value. So here x square cancel. So finally x is equals to 64 by 49. This is the result. Here x square cancel, x is equals to 64 by 49. So here we have to substitute the value x. This value is x. So finally x is 64 by 49. This is 26th question from exercise D. If sigma k is equal to 1 to 24, sigma means summation. So 1 by square root of k plus 1 plus root k is equal to a plus root b. Then find a and b. So first we have to substitute 1, next 2, next 3 up to 24. Instead of k values are 1, 2, 3, so on up to 24. So 1 by square root of 1 plus root 1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 is root 2 plus square root of 1 is 1. By rationalizing the denominator, so we have to take root 2 minus 1. So root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1, that is equals to root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 root 2 minus 1. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Result is a square minus b square root 2 square minus 1 square. So root 2 square minus 1 square means square root cancel, 2 minus 1 result is 1. Root 2 minus 1 by 1 means root 2 minus 1. So that is equals to, next we have to substitute 1 to 24 means next value is 2, next value is 3, next value is 4. So 1 by square root of 2 plus 1 plus root 2. Similarly, by rationalizing the denominator, 1 by square root of 3 plus square root of 2 into, so rationalizing factor is root 3 minus root 2. That is equals to square root of 3 minus root 2 by 1. Result is root 3 minus 2. So similarly we have to find all values 1 to 24. So final term is 1 by square root of 24 plus 1 plus square root of 24. That is equals to 1 by 25 plus square root of 24. By rationalizing the denominator, result is root 25 minus root 24. So substitute these values. So substitute the summation values. So we can get root 2 minus 1 plus root 3 minus root 2 plus root 4 minus root 3 plus root 5 minus root 4. Similarly up to root 24 minus root 23 plus root 25 minus root 24. Here root 2 cancel. Plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. So plus root 4 minus root 4 cancel. Plus root 5 minus root 5 cancel. So here root 24 minus root 24 both are cancelled. So finally results are minus 1 plus root 25. So that is equals to minus 1. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is the final result. So here equating these results with our RHS value. So 4 is equals to a plus root b. So 4 plus 0 is equals to a plus root b. Here a is equals to 4. B is equals to root b is equals to 0, means b is equals to 0. Okay my dear students, if you have any doubts in this session, please contact my number. Thank you.